Hey there, money savvy friends. Are you ready to break free from the grip of credit card debt? Well, today I'm spilling the beans on an awesome strategy. It's called a 0% interest balance transfer. Trust me, it's like finding a unicorn in the world of finance. It's almost like free money. Hey, wait a minute, it's exactly like free money, but with an expiration date. So imagine your debt as a giant heavy backpack. It's full of bricks labeled interest. Every month, you're paying just to carry this thing around. Crazy, right? What exactly is a balance transfer, you ask? Well, it's moving your debt from your current credit card to a new credit card with a balance transfer offer for a 0% interest rate. Think of it as a financial teleportation to a better deal. Now, let's get into some critical tips for making this work. First, always check the terms. There's usually a fee, like 3% or so, for the transfer. So for a $10,000 debt, that's a $300 fee. And there's typically a time limit for the 0% terms, usually about 18 months. But imagine wiping out that 20% interest. Totally worth it, right? Let me tell you a success story that will help us with the math. My friend Sarah found herself overwhelmed with $10,000 in credit card debt. At a hefty 20% interest rate, she was shelling out nearly $2,000 a year just on interest. And if she only paid the minimum monthly payment of about $250, she would be stuck on that wheel for almost 6 years, paying a staggering $6,000 in interest alone. But then Sarah discovered the magic of a 0% balance transfer. Even with a $300 transfer fee, this move freed up cash to tackle her principal head on. It's like shedding a heavy gym bag after a workout, so much lighter. Then by committing to pay off her debt within the 18-month period, Sarah made the most out of the 0% balance transfer. She set her sights on paying about $550 a month, keeping her total cost to just the $300 transfer fee. That's a whopping $5,700 saved in interest. Best of all, she was completely debt-free in 18 months. This could be you. Can you feel the freedom? Now seriously, let's keep it real. It's not just about moving debt, it's about changing habits. One of the biggest challenges when using a balance transfer is to stop making additional charges on your credit cards. In fact, really the only way to get out of debt is to stop charging on your cards so that you can pay down the balances. So lock up those credit cards, or better yet, do a little plastic surgery and cut those cards into confetti. So who really wins with a balance transfer card? It's someone like Sarah. She has managed to maintain a good to excellent credit score, qualifies for cards with the best rate, and was committed to paying off her balance in full within the promotional timeline. If that's not you, take a step back to evaluate your finances. Evaluate the main cause of your credit card debt and explore other options. In the end, it's crucial to choose the path that truly works best for your financial goals. Ready to tackle your debt? Let's do this together. Hit that like button if you found this helpful, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on taking control of your money. And no matter what, always remember, you got this.